Hi everyone, I'm Francis from Hansard Education. In my last video, I talked about late summer application for masters. And in our recent post, we talked about the list of universities you can still apply in July to get a place in September session. Today, I will talk about things you need to deal with once you receive unconditional offer. I'm sure you are asking many of these questions to your agents or sending an email to the universities. For example, deposit deadline, CAS request, bank statements, the amount of money you need to keep in your bank for you or for your dependents. So we will talk about all of these things today in this video. Deposit deadlines. Some universities ask to pay a deposit when you accept the unconditional offer, and others will set up deadlines. For example, recently we have received an email from Glasgow Caledonian University saying that they have extended their deposit deadline till 17th of July. Now, it depends on the university. High-ranking universities will accept the deposit and CAS request till the end of August. Let's talk about the deposit. The key part of accepting the unconditional offer is paying a deposit. Now, the deposit payment for accepting the offer or requesting a CAS varies from university to university. It can range from £200 to 60% of the total fees. It depends on the university. From my experience, high-ranking and traditional universities in the UK charge £2,000 to £3,000 to accept the offer letter and request a CAS. However, some new universities or very much business-oriented universities might ask you to pay 50% or 60% of the fees to request a CAS or accept the offer. Confirmation of acceptance for studies. In short, we call it a CAS. So what is CAS? I'm sure you have heard this word from your agents, friends, or from the universities. So a CAS is an electronic document that generates a reference number confirmed to UKVI, UK Visa and Immigration Services, that the university wishes to sponsor your studies in the UK. So what documents do you need to request a CAS? Number one, bank statement with a balance of outstanding fees plus maintenance funds for 28 consecutive days. Second, a letter from a bank confirming the funds have been held for 28 days period. Number three, proof of relationship such as birth certificate or a court documents for a legal guardian. Number four, a consent letter from your parents confirming they give you the permission to use their funds. Number five, if you have a scholarship, a letter from a scholarship provider confirming that they will sponsor your studies. I just want to highlight three important things here. One, your relatives aren't allowed to sponsor you, only your parents, or you can keep the money under your name. Husband, wife, uncle, brother, not allowed. Number two, the required amount, which is outstanding tuition fee plus the maintenance fund, must be held in your account or your parents' account for 28 consecutive days. And third point, the bank statement you will provide with a CAS form to request a CAS cannot be older than 31 days prior to the application date. So how much is the maintenance fund you have to show in your bank account? If your campus is located in London, then you need to show £12,006. If your campus is in outside London, £9,207. For dependent, inner London, £7,605. outer London £6,120. Numbers are quite different here for London and outside London, because in London we pay very high rents, and our travel expenses is a bit higher than outside London, and many other reasons is a bit higher. Now, if you like this video and found this information very useful, please click the like button or subscribe the channel. There will be many more videos every week about the university admissions, study abroad, so in the UK, US, and so on. Thank you very much.